Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the connection possible. Put both devices on the same network or connect via USB tethering, and install KDE Connect on your phone plus the KDE Connect package on your Linux PC. You need to grant permissions when prompted, files, SMS, notifications, because KDE Connect uses those to sync. Once the apps are installed and permissions accepted, move to pairing. This is the first actionable step toward control and file transfer between phone and desktop. Pairing is simple. On your PC, open KDE Connect, locate the phone in the devices list, and send a pairing request. You must accept that request on the phone. This exchange establishes trust and lets KDE Connect enable features. Once paired, configure plugins, enable clipboard sync for copy-paste, media control for audio, and file transfer for sending pictures. If you want remote input, enable that plugin. Make sure to fine-tune permissions so each feature works securely and predictably. Now complete the workflow by testing core features. Copy text on one device and paste on the other, send a small file to confirm transfers, and try media controls to ensure playback works. Use send file or drag drop in your file manager for quick transfers. Use remote input to type or move the cursor. If something fails, check the firewall on the PC, ensure both devices stay on the same network, and recheck app permissions. That single troubleshooting step resolves most connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.